Now, here's the key. You say, well, what's likely to be the priority for that day? It's nearly always the thing you're avoiding. It's the thing that makes you uncomfortable. It's the bugger. It's the phone call. It's the difficult project. It's this thing you haven't started yet. It's nearly always the thing that you don't want doing. That you don't want to do, or that you do want to do but makes you feel uncomfortable. There's a better way of putting it. You'd be tempted to put something else in there and pretend it's important. It's easy to spot. That thing makes me most uncomfortable. It really truly is the thing that should go in there, right? So aim to get the most uncomfortable thing out of the way and don't move on until the bugger is done. And here's the thing, once you get started with it, it's never as scary as we think it is, right? The scariest moment is just before you start. I think it was Stephen King who said that. And this could be music for you in the day. I don't know. It could be something else that comes up a bit later. I don't know. Maybe you don't go to work until later in the day, or maybe it's one thing before I go to work and it's one thing at work. But what is that thing in that particular list, that particular portion of your life that is the scary bit? I aim to get that thing done before I do anything else.